screaming! Woo! Once again, my name is Mayhem, and this is my Dark Magic Show. Quick little warning for you, do not attempt any of these tricks at home. I'm a dead professional, been doing all this for 100 years. Do not attempt any tricks that you see performed here. So, I'm going to need somebody to help me out with the first trick. Any volunteers or suckers? Alright, yes, the lady right there, you can raise your hand. Go ahead, come on up to the stage. Watch your step as you come up. Thank you very much. What is your name?
Lindsay.
Lindsay, thank you, Lindsay, for coming up and helping out. Now, Lindsay, what we're going to do here is that we're going to do a cool little card trick, alright? Now, what I'm going to have you do is pick any card you want. Doesn't matter, right? So go in and pick any card you like. Anytime now. Yes! This is the international side to pick a card. So we all see it. Okay, go ahead and show the card around to everybody. Make sure everybody sees the card. All right, everybody see the card? Yeah? All right, good. Now we're gonna have you place the card back into the deck. Tell me when to stop. Right there, go place your card face down. Goes into the deck, right? Now look, I'm gonna give it a couple of shuffles. Not a shuffle, like so. And we're gonna give it a couple more cuts here. Now, I have here, can you hold on those for me? Perfect. Now I have here a paper bag. And what we're gonna do is I'll put the whole card deck inside the paper bag. But I'm gonna make sure you can look inside and see that there's nothing inside the bag. No? Good, all right. Nothing inside the bag. Now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna take the deck of cards. All right? And we're gonna place them right inside the bag. All right? And we're gonna fold up the bag nice and good and tight, like so. Now we're gonna shake them up so they're nice and mixed. Okay, now here, go ahead and grab it right here. Up here, there you go. And shake it up and down, don't let go. All right, good? All right, good. Now, in order to buy your card, we need a little magic wand. Yes. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna stab the bag like so. We're going to shovel it one more time. Give it a little spin. Is that your card? Yeah. Now this is your little souvenir. Enjoy the rest of your night. Give it up, boys. We're helping out. Now, for the next one, I'm going to need somebody to help me out here. Who likes to go fishing? Oh, you really interested in this one, aren't you? All right, go ahead, come on stage. All right. Now, you know how to fish, right? Kind of? Okay. All right, what's your name?
Vicky.
Vicky, all right, Vicky. Now, Vicky, we're going to play a game called fishing. What you see? Don't touch it. Oh, shiny. Oh, shiny shot object. Let me touch it. No. Just to show you, this is a treble hook. As you can notice, there is a total of 4 strings attached to the hook. Now, 3 of the strings are actually wrapped around the hook. Now, 1 string is actually tied on. Now, the way this game works is very simple. One of us gets to be the fish, the other one gets to be the fisherman, okay? All right, open up. No, joking. No, I'll be the fish, you'll be the fisherman. Now, you have 3 tries to set the hook. All right, you're gonna grab 1 string at a time, and you're gonna pull down nice and hard, as fast as you can, all right? Now you guys get to help her out. You will count down 3, 2, 1, pull! And that's where you pull as hard as you can, all right? Here we go, watch. Now, like I said before, do not try this at home. your step as you go down. Now, we're going to do one more trick before I hammer a 5-inch nail into my head. Now, I need somebody to come up and help me with this one. Anybody?
Got you.
You got me? Yeah. All right, get the man right there. All right, come on out here. Don't worry, sir, I got you this. All right, how you doing, ma'am? Doing good? Enjoying the night?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead and blow up those balloons for me. Now, what you don't know is that you're actually putting a little bit of your own soul in there. All right? A little bigger, bigger, bigger. Come on. Getting lightheaded? No. Okay. Perfect, good. All right, good. Now here, we're going to do this. All right. So we're going to tie him in a knot like so, strapping your soul inside. Now don't move. We're going to use this little wand here to pierce your soul. All right, like I said, do not move. Go ahead and grab the wand. Yeah. All right, good, because we're going to use this one instead. Now, like I said, don't move.
You moved!
Ah! Good thing I have a spare. Blow it up. Perfect. Good. Here we go. Watch. Now go ahead and hold on to that. Now you want your soul back? There you go. Give her a round of applause. Now this is the one you all been waiting for. You have seen it many, many times have I performed. This is my favorite one. The blockhead. Where I'm going to hammer a 5-inch nail into my skull. And you, sir, can come up and help me out. Come right here, sir. Now, what's your name? Eddie. Thank you, Eddie, for coming out. Now, watch, Eddie. Just to show you, this is a 5-inch nail. Make sure it does not bend or break. Yeah, that's big. All right, does it bend? No? All right, solid. Now, you are here to verify that this nail is going all the way into the back of my skull. All right? Now, like I said, do not try this at home. You ready? You guys all ready? Yeah. Here we go. Is it real? No, it's not really in there. Yeah. Now here, I'll come down a little closer so you guys can get a good look.
Look at it!
Go ahead, come on up.
Look at it! 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 A little more.
No, I'll wait in.
Oh, sorry. How's that? All right, here comes the cold part. You get to pull it out.
Oh, God.
Oh, oh, look, there's a booger. Give it a round of applause. Thanks for helping out, watching stuff. My name is Mayhem. Enjoy the rest of your night. That's Dark Magic. Don't forget, we got Nightmare Experiment. Circus of the Damned, Area 64. Deathwater Bayou, and Simon Slaughterhouse, and many more monsters waiting to meet you. And don't forget to ride the roller coaster in the dark. Have a good rest of your night here. 5 years of Scream of Howl-O-Scream.